Hi guys, so have you seen the music video by GuHara called Choco Chip Cookies? I'm going to link the video down below. It inspired this makeup tutorial, this look that I tried to recreate by GuHara. Well, this look that she's wearing in the video. And if you want to know how I did it, then please keep watching. So the first thing I'm going to do is put on concealer and cover up these really bad circles that I have. Oof. Okay, I'm using Etude House's Cotton Fit BB Cream, and I really like to use this in the summer. Just putting a little bit for all over. I'm going to put a little bit more in this area. Okay, I'm going to powder my face using this Cat's Wink pot by Tony Moly, just a regular face powder. It is a beige color. Okay, I'm using the Benefit My 2 Cents Creaseless Eyeshadow because it's creaseless and it is a browny, coppery kind of color. So, actually I'm using this more because of it's creaseless. And in the summer, my eyes crease up so much that if I'm going to use a brown eyeshadow, which is what you need for this, I'd rather use the creaseless kind because it just creases a lot less than the normal eyeshadows. So My 2 Cents by Benefit. It's supposed to be like a coppery brown, but for me it's just like a neutral kind of brown. I'm using the Proof 10 Auto Pencil by Etude House BK802 to tight line, and she tight lines all around it seems.
This is scary. Oh my god.
In the center, I kind of elongated a bit more. I don't know if you can tell, but to create a bigger eye look, I did extend the line a little bit out when tightlining and also making sure it's very sharp inside. Show you close up. See, the line does go from there, but a little bit out as well. Now I'm going to take this orangey eyeshadow and put that all over the top because in some lightings it looks quite like an orangey brown that she has on her eyelids. This is Etude House OR202. It's kind of a light yellowy orangey color. I am going to put a little on the inside corners as well. A little on the under eye here as well, just to make this part, the under eye area, look fatter. Because this is a sparkly eyeshadow and it's not very dark. I think like on the under eye part it's quite subtle because I didn't use like a white color. So you can't tell, but it did become sparkly, and so that emphasizes this area because she has like even bigger than me, like fatter under eyelids than me even. Now I'm taking a flat brush and I'm going to use a brown, darker brown color to just as an eyeliner. But if you want, you can also do it like here just to emphasize the fat part. Actually, mine are big enough.
I am going to use this brown to go even a little bit more down. And I line the bottom and the top eye with a brown, darker brown color. Here, I'll do it on this side as well. This side's easier to see, I think.
And now, because she has bigger eyebrows than mine, I'm also going to use the brown color, but you can use a more blonde color or eyebrow mascara or something like that to just do the eyebrows a bit more. Okay, I'm going to brush them out a bit too. You can use like a kind of blonde eyebrow mascara or something, but I'm trying to match my hair better too as well. But she has like blonde hair, obviously, and blonde eyebrows, and she has straight eyebrows. I don't. Sorry about that. Okay, and now I put on mascara. I just put one coat of this Clinique High Impact Mascara. Use whatever mascara you want, it doesn't matter. Now I'm going to put on some lipstick. Now in the video, she has a few different kinds, like of different colors. So she has orange, an orange kind of red one. She has really hot pink, a more of a fuchsia pink, but she also has a lighter pink color. So for a nice fuchsia pink, there's this by Yves Saint Laurent, is Rouge Volupte number 31, and the name is Fuchsia. I'm actually gonna blend this with this one because this has a bit of a purple tint to it, but I want more of the hot pink color. This is the Etude House Sweet Recipe Candy Cane Stick in pink. They have an orange one and they have a yellow one. But okay, so first I'm going to put on the Rouge Volupte number 31.
So then I can put this hot pink on.
And I did that just to get the color more accurate to what she has in a part of the video, because she has different colors going on. So obviously I have a very different face from hers, but I do think that I achieved the look that she has. I'm gonna link her music video, Chocolate Chip Cookies, that inspired this look, down below. I like it, and I think GuHara is really, really beautiful. And so if you like this video, and I hope you did, please click like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye!